Hello world! I'm Eva Wong and I'm a multimedia artist living in Vancouver, North Vancouver actually, and I was in charge of the origami portion of this project, Mass Reincarnation of Wish Fragments. For the origami portion, we actually ran several workshops. It's not my work alone, but rather I was leading the initiative to make all these butterflies together with the amazing community here at some gallery. And together we've managed to collect these 1,000 butterflies together and put them up in what I think is quite a beautiful display. Origami is a traditional art of paper folding. To me, it means several things. It's been something that's been a part of my life for quite a while. What I like about it is the traditional forms of origami manage to sort of capture the essence of something in a very simple form. And another thing is origami is something that you can sort of practice anywhere. All you need is a piece of paper. In traditional Japanese folklore, there is a tale or like a legend about folding 1,000 paper cranes. And what this legend says is if you put together 1,000 paper cranes, then the gods are going to grant you a wish. So for this project, we are using butterflies instead. And in each butterfly, actually, we've written a wish. I wanted to create this atmosphere where when you walk in, you can sort of feel the weight of all of those wishes sort of flying at you. I'd like to invite everyone to come and see the exhibition. And if you'd like more information about it, please check out the Some Gallery website.